Now children, please turn to page 28. Here you have to add the following. Now, in this exercise, we are going to use the vertical form. Let's watch the examples.
What is vertical form? Vertical form is a method of adding and subtract where the numbers are lined up in a column according to their place value.
Hello children, welcome to the mathematics class. Today, teacher would like to discuss with you about the topic of place value. In our number system, the value of a digit depends on its place or position in the number. For the purpose of our class today, we will explore the place value in the column of tens and ones only. Now, what number is this?
45.
45. Again,
45.
45. So, the place value for number 5 is in column ones. And the place value for number 4 is tens. Therefore, number 45 is 4 tens and 5 ones. Alright, now let's try your understanding. Just give it a shot, okay? No worries if you make a mistake. This is what learning is all about. What number is this?
39.
39. So, number 9. What is the place value of number 9? Is it in column tens or in column ones?
Is it 1?
Yes, number 9 is in column ones. What about number 3? Is it in column tens or column ones?
Tens.
Good job. 3 is in the place value of tens. Therefore, 39 is 3 tens and 9 ones. Okay, let's try another example. What number is this?
26.
Good job, 26. Can you tell me the place value of 6? Is it in column tens or column ones?
Ones.
Good job. You're very confident now. 6 ones. What about number 2? Is it in column tens or column ones?
Tens.
Good. The place value for 2 is in column tens. Therefore, 26 is 2 tens and 6 ones.
Now we know how to arrange the number in their column according to their place value. Children, when we are using vertical form method, we always start in the column ones.
Now children, before we do the exercises on the total value of the coins, I would like to show you some examples in the vertical form. I'm sure you have done this vertical form in school before. Now here we have to add 40 to 25. Now when we add, we have to add the ones first. And then we add the tens. Now here you have to add 0 plus 5. So here 0 plus, let's take 5 color pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now let's count the total.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, so 0 plus 5 equals 5. Now the next one, the tens. 4 plus 2. Now let's take 4 color pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Plus 2.
1, 2.
Now let's count the total.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So this is 6. So what is the total value?
65.
65. Good, children. Now children, this is the first question. 50 cent plus 20 cent. 50 cent, 20 cent. Now this is called the vertical form. We are going to do this exercise in the vertical form. We have to start with the column ones first. Then we go to the column tens. Now let's add 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. Can you see any number?
No.
No, because 0 and 0 does not equal to any number other than 0. Now we are going to add the tens column. Now 5 plus 2. Now we are going to take 5 pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And we are going to add another 2 pencils.
1, 2.
Now let's see the total number of pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. So what number is this?
70.
70. So 50 plus 20 equals to 70. Now let's write down. So 70 cent. The next question. 10 cent plus 35 cent. Now let's use the same method. Now 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Now take away this and we take away this. So how many pencils are there altogether?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Now we go to the next column. Now 1 plus 3.
1 plus 1, 2, 3.
Now let's join them together. So how many pencils do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So what number is this?
45.
45. So 10 plus 35 equals to 45. So let's write it down. So 45 cents. Okay. Now children, the next question. 40 cent plus 40 cent. Now let's do the ones column first. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 equals to 0 because we are not adding anything. Let's go to the tens column. 4 plus 4. Now let's take 4 pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4.
plus
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now let's bring them together and count the total.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So what number is this?
80.
80. So 40 plus 40 equals to 80. Now let us write it down. Now the next question. 20 cent plus 10 cent. Now let's go to the ones column. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 equals to 0 because we do not have to add anything. Now 2 plus 1. Let's take 2 pencils.
1, 2.
And we take another 1 pencil. So let's bring them together and see the total number.
1, 2, 3.
3. So what number is this?
30.
30. So 20 plus 10 equals to 30. Now let's write it down. 30 cents. Now children, the next question. 65 cents plus 10 cents. Now 65 plus 10. Now let's do the ones column first. 5 plus 0. Now let's take 5 pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And 0. So now this is 0. There is nothing there. So what is the total amount?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. So 5 plus 0 equals to 5. Now let's go to the next one. 6 plus 1. Now let's take 6 pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 plus 1. So let's bring them together and count the total number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. So 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So what number is this?
75.
75. So 65 plus 10 equals to 75. Now let's write it out. 75. Now the next question. 50 cent plus 30 cent. 50 plus 30. Now let's do the ones column first. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 equals to 0 because we do not have to add anything. Now the next, the tens column. 5 plus 3. Now let's take 5 pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Plus
1,
Alright, now let's bring them together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So 8. So what number is this?
80.
80. So 50 plus 30 equals to 80. Now let's write it down. $0.80. Now the next question. 60 cents plus 30 cents. 60 plus 30. Now let's do the ones column first. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. Now 0 plus 0 equals to 0 because we do not add anything. Now the tens column. 6 plus 3. Now let's take 6 pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Plus
1, 2, 3.
Alright, now let's bring them together. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So how much is this?
90.
90. So 60 plus 30 equals to 90. So let's write it down. So 90. Now the next question. 25 cents plus 20 cents. Now here 25 plus 20. Let's do the ones column first. 5 plus 0. Now let's take 5 pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Plus 0. Now 0, we do not have anything here. So let's count the pencils again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, so 5 plus 0 equals to 5. 2 plus 2. So let's take 2 pencils.
1, 2.
Plus
1, 2.
Alright, now 2 plus 2. Let's bring them together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Good. So what number is this?
45.
45. So 25 plus 20 equals to 45. So let us write it down. The next question. 40 cents plus 10 cents. Now 40 plus 10. Let's do the ones column first. 0 plus 0 is 0 because we don't have to add anything. Now let's go to the tens column. 4 plus 1. Now let's take 4 pencils.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And add another 1 pencil. Now let's bring them together and see the total number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. So what number is this?
50.
50. So 40 plus 10 equals to 50. Now let's write it down. Now let's go through this exercise again. So 50 cents plus 20 cents equals to 70 cents. 10 cents plus 35 cents equals to 45 cents. 40 cents plus 40 cents equals to 80 cents. 20 cents plus 10 cents equals to 30 cents. 65 cents plus 10 cents equals to 75 cents. 50 cents plus 30 cents equals to 80 cents. 60 cents plus 30 cents equals to 90 cents. 25 cents plus 20 cents equals to 45 cents. 40 cents plus 10 cents equals to 50 cents. Now well done, children.
Okay children, that's all for today. Till we meet again, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.